How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove the mouse pointer on your smart TV. Now, of course, there's a lot of TVs out there and there's a lot of models, but generally we cannot permanently disable this specific option because it's built in as a feature for our television. So if you want to navigate back to the highlight selection, which enables us to select something like YouTube, Sling, and Peacock right here, you just want to press any one of these arrow keys, so up, down, left, right, and from there it will then proceed to highlight the selections like game, daily, ambient, and many more. The other thing that you could do is to head over to settings, look for the mouse pointer, and then you could try reducing its size if you don't want to do that. But generally, in order to remove it, just navigate back to the highlight selection, which is by navigating through the arrow keys and just select or press the middle one if the application or the option that is highlighted is the one that you want to head into. So for example, if home is selected, you want to press on the middle button, and from there it will then select this specific selection, avoiding the mouse pointer option or feature on our remotes. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.